what's up guys? So today we're going to be installing Team Z's Bumpsteer kit. Show you what I have done so far and I'll try and explain the best that I can. Alright, so basically, let's see if I can set this up for you guys. Alright, so this black body threads onto the tire, or the rack, and then it did not come with this bolt here. I don't know if you guys can see that. I matched it, went to the parts store, found the correct thread pattern, and bought it because this, for some reason, I don't know, I just couldn't get it to go to the right length of where I wanted it. So I saw some kits come with a bolt you just would tighten, and instead of this being loose, you just tighten it, and then wherever you want it to be, position it, tighten that up, tighten it against that, and then this doesn't move anymore once you actually tighten it. Take a crescent wrench or whatever and just tighten these two together so that won't move anymore. And then this one here, get this to, if you need to extend that arm or anything, and it's the same concept with this bolt. You just tighten that down and then that doesn't move anymore either. So pretty self-explanatory. Alright, so the kit comes with this, which goes into your heim joint and into your spindle, and this is where it goes to the spindle and turns your wheels. This little sleeve here goes onto the rack arm right here, and what you want to do pretty much is get these two parallel. You want your arm parallel with the control arm, and then it goes into here, and you get these spacers. I have some spacers on there, but you get a bunch of spacers so so you can get the right height and make sure that they're parallel together. So then you just add your spacers to get the right length, and you just tighten them down, and then you are good to go. So it's not that bad. And like I said, you'll need to go and get this stuff adjusted at a alignment rack. It's not gonna be perfect, but what you pretty much want to do is just get your rotors, as I tried getting it as straight as I could. It looks like it might toe out. No, it's pretty straight. It's straight to my eye, so that doesn't say a lot, but the alignment rack will definitely help, and I don't plan on driving this personally. It's going to be trailered to the alignment rack, and we're just going to do that. But you can drive it like this, it just might eat up your tires. One side might wear more than the other or whatever. So that's pretty much it for today. I need some new brakes. Looking at these brand new Viking Performance shocks, or struts, coilovers, and then you have that ugly little thing. So I'm definitely gonna have to upgrade those at some point because it is just ugly to me. So, well, that's it for this one. I hope you guys learned something. Hope that you can gain some knowledge from this. If you saw me do anything wrong, or if you have anything to point out that could help me, please drop a comment. I'll be reading those. I'm always looking for input, and I'll take anyone's advice, see what you guys got. So thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you guys next time.
On the plane, never let no Peter Pan, though. Take a trip to the bank, talking bandos.